But right now, everything is just gapping up. So we'll probably have a couple gaps to look at tomorrow, or in just about ding, ding, ding. There's our bell. So we'll see what happens. So Q's still leading the way like they did yesterday, up over 1%. Tech is going to lead the way down. Tech is certainly leading the way up. We'll see what, if anything, that we get as far as our gaps. But if we don't get any pullback, I don't exactly know what we want to do except close our eyes and buy it, which is not really part of our methodology, is it? Everything just gapping, just off to the races.